coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and today we've got something from Indonesia thanks to Ferengi. This is Wings Food Mi Sedaap, and this is their Kari Spsial Bumbo Kari Kental. I remember having this like, what is it? Like 12 years ago. This was reviewed like 434, and I loved it. I certainly, from what I've seen, prepared it in such a way that looked really, really weird. But yeah, it's really good stuff. So drop that in. 3 minutes. So this one you just steep. What I'm curious about is whether you put the stuff in with it right now or later. So let's see. It looks like, yeah, we'll do that later. So yeah, it's 3:45 in the PM, and it is the sun, the daylight is waning. And so is my time because it's 3:45, and I have 15 minutes until I get kids off of bus. And timer is going. Just wrangled my pug. That's good. Yep. I'm excited because my wife's coming home. I guess it'll be almost 2 hours, less than 2 hours now. We have been so joined at the hip recently that it's not even funny. And this is like the first day that, I mean, she left at what, 8? Somewhere around 8. I mean, we have been like really inseparable for the last 2 months straight, and it's been great. We had a kind of an issue come up, and now we're like good and good and super good. And yeah. So the issue was that I was out walking too much while she was at home, and now it's like I'm only out walking when she isn't at home, which is good. And what's nice is her new job, she'll be, after 3 months, she'll be able to work at home. So I'm already working on trying to figure it out to go and walk and get home about a half an hour before her lunch. Then I can like cook up lunch and we can hang out and make the most of that. That's cool. I'm excited about that. You might think, whoa, that's kind of weird, dude. I don't know. I don't think it's weird. I'm happy. So yeah. She's had a lot of really bad back and hip problems after a job injury, which I won't go into it, but I think they handled it like as poorly as it humanly possibly could have been handled. But not much. We can't afford like high-powered lawyers and all that crap. So whatever. But yeah. So the noodle is done, and now we're going to add the seasonings and check out this Indonesian curry. There's one. What's interesting about this one is the version I reviewed before, A, had different packaging. On the outside, it had the one I just put in, and this one, which is a seasoned oil. But here, and I don't know if it's an error. Oh, sorry about that. My eyeball is incredibly itchy. The dog is messing with its pad things again. But there's this fried onion. There's one. And there's two sachets of fried onion. Oh boy, I'm actually gonna get done in time. Hurrah! I'm excited about that. I'm just excitable today. Wow. Yeah. Here it is. So let's give it a try. I remember the last time I had this, I was just like beside myself happy with it. Noodle's good. I think last time I did it, I prepared it incorrectly and boiled it. I think I'd rather it boiled. Here's the broth. It's good. I wish it were stronger. I'll use the directions on it, and I know I did last time as well, but I think last time it called for less liquid. That's gonna be my guess. But I like how it looks. It looks about the same. Kind of got that interesting look going on with it. Give it another. Yeah, that's pretty good. Add an egg. Lovely. I don't have a heck of a lot more to add to this one. Mung bean sprouts, that's always a good thing. So I'm going to do some of those, and I've got some spring onion. A little bit of crushed red pepper, and I think we're good. Wow, I made it, folks. I made it just in time to take the last pictures of stuff and go get the kids off the bus. I am thrilled with that. Cool. All right, well, cool. Thank you very much. Ow, caught my finger in. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.